so I was just playing some Heavy Rain and I thought, hey, I should record this, so. Oh, look at this dude. Now we just shower, right? Okay. Oh, wow. I think I'm gonna have to blur that out. How hard is this game? I'm guessing we go and change. Okay, just gonna put my pants on. Oh wait, so now we go downstairs, right? Do. Here, we want some cake? You want some pizza? Want some pizza? Bro, happy birthday! I'm just kidding. Okay. Just kidding. Okay, for reals now. Wow, this game is so action-packed. Woohoo! Oh, I just want to do something fun already. Let me see, could I go here? Brazil like lives in a mansion. I don't even know what that is. Wait, does he actually climb this? Oh man, I'm done. If he doesn't climb, I'm done with that.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
I would like to explore, but I'm just gonna do the objective. First, let me see what this is and all that. Run, fall. Dang, that dude has some skills. Dad of the year goes to...
I could go for a cup of coffee.
Well, my dude, where's the coffee? It has to be in the kitchen, right? Oh, is it here? I don't know what that's supposed to mean, bro. Like... Like, what does it mean when you have to... I don't get it. My man. Where is your coffee machine, bro? Well, let's think about...
How about some music? Maybe there's something on TV. I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back. I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday. Oof, it's stuffy in here. I should get some fresh air in the garden.
Bro.
Hey, take it easy, you're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old, that's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Never mind, I'll do it.
I'm sorry, I just wasn't thinking.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
No problem, leave it to me.
Hey, Ethan, I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
I forgot, they're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked. That door is always sticking. Give it a big tug. That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Hey, Ethan, You said you were going to be careful.
I'm sorry, I'll be more gentle.
Wow.
I'm thirsty. Should be some orange juice in the fridge.
Dang, why does he drink it just like that? That's where the coffee was? Maybe I should, great.
She's more goddamn beautiful with every passing day. I think I'll go outside and play with the kids. That's it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay,
soon.
we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first.
No,
me
me
first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn. All right, Jason. Let's do the helicopter.
It's my turn now, it's my turn!
Okay, Sean. Get ready. Here we go.
This is pretty sweet.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are.
big muscles!
Be careful. Hang on.
My dad always used to do this with me.
Oh. Oh.
Okay guys, that's part 1 for Heavy Rain.